Welcome to MST School of Trading. Dear traders, today May 2nd, 2024, we have released the video in the live market. And in the month of April and March, we had released very less number of videos, maybe couple of 4 to 5 videos only, totally in the entire 2 months. Due to our busy schedule, we could not release the video. Despite that, we have been releasing the status or the performance of our indicator in our Telegram channel as well as in the WhatsApp channel. See, our indicator working system is very simple and it is very accurate. What you are supposed to do after getting our indicator, it is so simple. The thing is, you have to do 3 things. 1, go to the tradingview.com and create one username, free account. After creating free account, you will automatically getting the username. And secondly, go to the YouTube channel and type, that is go to the youtube.com, then type MST School of Trading and join our videos, that is YouTube channel, after watching our videos. Then go to Telegram channel also and type MST School of Trading, then you will be getting our free channel, there also you join. Thirdly, our indicator is not available in the tradingview.com for free access. So it is a paid only indicator. It will be available only in the invite only mode. So what you are supposed to do, you select any one plan available from the 2 plans. What is the 2 plans we are having? First one is the annual plan and second one is the lifetime plan. We don't have any other plan as of now. We have stopped completely all other plans. So if you wish to use our indicator, you have to join compulsory to the annual plan, which we are giving in 80+% discount. In lifetime plan also we are giving 80+ discount for our indicator. When you take the MST iCore 2.0, you will be automatically getting MST iTrend 2.0 also as the complementary without any amount you have to pay. Okay, coming back to our system. What's our system says? Our system says when the market has opened, like today, see, today is the live market is going on. None of the trade is activated, no buy is activated, no sell is activated. Now market has opened here. We have got formed 2 lines at the upper side and 2 lines at the bottom side. If market is reaching towards the upper side, we will be buying the put option. If the market is buying towards the bottom side, we will be buying the call option. If you are an option seller, you can do this put option, you can sell, and this call option you can sell if you are an option sellers. Okay, what about the stocks? Suppose say this Nifty bank Nifty is a stock, okay, and if the market is going here, you can directly invest into the cash market when it is breaking the second buy level. Whenever it is coming to touch our buy zone, it is the best buy area. Here also you can directly buy at the price whatever it is. And immediately if you are looking for 1 or 2 points, that also possible. I will show you everything in next videos, because in a single video if I show you everything, so it will not be feasible for you. Now go to the settings and here give reset settings. Since we are trading in the Bank Nifty, we are going to keep it in tiny to stop loss and tiny to targets. Why we are doing this? Because we have to give less to the market and we have to take maximum from the market. That is our ultimate aim. So here what has happened, I will do bar replay option and I will show you lively, and so they have given one more option also, select bar, select date and all. Very good. So now this is the yesterday's market. I am running the market. Yesterday, in the sense, yesterday May 1st was a holiday, so it is on April 30th. So market has opened, immediately we got top two lines formed and bottom 2 lines formed. Okay, So once it has reached the sell zone, and from there it is exactly falling down. It has not crossed our sell side SL point. The first blue line is the entry point and second blue line is the SL point for the sell. Similarly, the first blue line is the buy entry and second blue line is the buy SL point. See here, immediately it has reached our zone, and in the next candle it has breached into the zone, and in the third candle we have got the target. Once sell or buy is activated, what we are supposed to do, go to the settings and remove the buy entry, enable the sell entry, sell targets. Why we are doing sell targets? Because sell only got activated first. Also enable second buy targets. If you want, you can add extra targets if you want, okay, not compulsory. So usually I will be adding some 2 to 3 targets extra, so that I will get the further levels also. So this is the top midpoint. So now our trading got over here itself. Sell activated, all the 3 targets hit here. Okay, we don't have to wait for any other targets. And after first target, we have to revise the stop loss to cost to cost. After second target, we have to revise the stop loss to first target. After third target, we have to exit from the market. So if you are getting again re-entry, if you are already in a profit, if you want to bet your profit, then you can do it, okay. But our simple system is, do not trade again and again in the market. So now second time also it got activated. First time first target hit, again second, again sell activated, target hit, again sell activated, target hit, then second target hit. So market is still running. So we have been in a good profit. Now market has reversed. Once it is reversed, our second buy activated, first target hit, third target hit, third target, all the 3 targets hit, and again from there it has fallen. Again first sell activated, targets hit. See how it is falling drastically. So that's all. This is our power of our indicator. This is the power of our indicator. So exactly it will fall, exactly it will reverse where our support and resistance zones are available. Hope it is clear. If you have any doubts, you can ask us. Our indicator is not a repainting indicator. So whenever you want to test it, you can test it after subscribing to our indicator. We are not showing any demo because time is very precise. We cannot spend much of the time on a single customer. So whoever is interested, they can very well contact us. Our executives are happy to help you all at 24/7 basis. Thank you all. Bye bye. Wish you all a happy, profitable day ahead.